Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So after posting earlier this year about Google Maps and Photos' new gradient update to the icon, I'll leave the Maps video link down below and in the end screen if you'd like more info. It seems now that Google is developing quite a major icon redesign for its workspace apps, which includes Gmail, Drive, Google Calendar, Meet, Sheets, and Slides, and more, as we can see. And this is according to a post by 9to5 Google. I'll leave the article linked as well if you want more info. And these have not yet started rolling out to the general public and to users. So if we just have a closer look at some of these, we can see Drive, Doc, Sheets, Slides. And some of them are quite a major redesign, as you can see. Now, the new icons, as we can see, feature a gradient finish that aligns with Google's updated design language, moving away from the previous use of all four Google brand colors seen in most workspace app icons. So, as an example, Google Drive's icon now emits red, focusing on green, yellow, and blue with a gradient effect. And I think the only one that has red in it is Gmail. So that's interesting. And here we can see Google Calendar, as another example, is shifting to a more blue-centric design that resembles earlier versions of the app. So it looks like they're almost coming full circle with Google Calendar. Gmail keeps its envelope shape, as we can see, with the M design, but replaces the colors with gradients. And Google Meet, here to the left, is adopting a more yellow dominant color scheme while maintaining the original video camera icon. And at this stage, obviously these are brand new. Not too sure how I feel about this yet. Maybe it'll grow on me. Let me know what you think in the comments. A good move or bad move by Google. And Google has not yet announced a release date for the updated icons or specified which platforms will get them first. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.